Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about Jamboard. So to go to the Jamboard, you open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. So in the browser, you can see a grid-like structure in Google Chrome. So click on this grid. So here you will find various options like YouTube, Play Store, Gmail, Drive. So in the downward, you can see a Jamboard symbol is there, right? So here you can find the Jamboard. You click on the Jamboard. So it will require a sign in. So you have to sign it with your Gmail account. So I am signing in with my Gmail account. Then after signing in, you will see this kind of structure. You don't have any Jam 8. Tap plus to create one. So you have to click on this plus symbol. So once you click on this plus symbol, you will have a Jamboard. So this is your Jamboard. It is just like a collaborative whiteboard. You can write here it with the help of pen. Then you can erase with the help of eraser. You can select. You can have a sticky note. We will see one by one. You can add an image and you can also use a laser point. So this is your Jamboard, which is nothing but whiteboard. These are the frames. So we have selected frame 1. You can select frame 2. So let's come to basic frame 1. Okay. So in this frame, first you can choose the background of the frame. What kind of background you want? You want this background, you want this, or you want this. So you can choose a suitable background. So let us select this blue one. Then let us write something, or let us first we will use a sticky note. So this sticky note you can write my new Jam project. Okay, save. So it will appear like this. So you can rotate it. You can here you can edit it. You can duplicate it. You can delete it. So if you duplicate it, a new file will be formed. So again, you can edit this. So let us write it as my class. Okay. You can choose the color. Then you can again rotate it. Okay, so this is how sticky notes work. Then you can use select. So with the help of this will be selected. Then you can use a pen. So let us select. This is a pen. This is marker. This is highlighter and this is a brush. So if you select a pen, if you select this color or say red color, then you can write something, you can draw something, you can write something with it head. Okay. Or we can have say this color. If you have a marker, then you can mark something. If you can erase, if you can redo it with also Control Z, then it all will be reduced. Then let us select a white background. Okay. Then let us write something with the help of this highlighter. So highlighter, the text will be highlighted. Then suppose we insert an image. So you can insert any image. You can select from your device. So I select, say, select this metal imager, metal detector. So it will take a time for uploading. Once it is inserted, you can again rotate the image. You can again write something else. Then you can also use image from Google search. Just type, say, metal detector. So you have lot number of uses. You can use any one. So here we have inserted an image from the Google search. You can rotate. You can make it small. Then again, if you want image, you can also use from your Google Drive. What are the images are there from your Google Drive? Say I'm using this chart. So you can select and you can have here. Okay. Then if you have or recent image, you can select. Then yes. So what you write with the help of, suppose you want to write the answer. Okay. So you can write and you can draw a straight line with the help of by selecting a pen and a shift button. So a straight line will be drawn by selecting the pen option and shift button on your keyboard. Suppose we have to write metal detector. Okay, so I'm selecting a pen and I'm writing metal. Okay, so in this way, the Jamboard world. Finally, it is just a whiteboard. You have a laser. So laser is used to mark something or to show with the help of laser pointer. Okay, then you can redo this also, this eraser. So if you select this eraser, then you can erase it also. Okay, so any drawing can be erased, but not the photo. Okay, then you can zoom also this if you want, what level you can want. Then you can share with someone if you want to share as a link or as with people. Okay, so this was all about. And if you want to clear this frame, you can clear the frame using this option. Okay, if you want again it back, you can back. So here 20 frames you can get. So this is all. Here are the options. If you want to rename this, first we will name the Jamboard. So you can say my project. Okay, so it will be a my project. Then you can download it as a PDF. You can save frame as an image. You can remove, you can make a copy. So all this.
For those who want to use Jamboard on their mobile or who don't have access to the desktop, they can download the Jamboard app for mobile. So for this, go to the browser in your mobile, type Jamboard app, then search. So you will get an app. So click on that and install that app. It will take some time. So once the app is installed, open the app, then you will see a structure like this. So these are my Jamboards which are previously created, but when you will open, you will have no Jamboard. So this bottom plus arrow, you can, so if you click here, you have option connect to Jamboard, join by Jamcode, recent, shared with me, start, trash and help and feedback. So if you get on this plus option, so it will create a new Jamboard. So first, so this is an untitled Jamboard. You can rename it as a my project or anything what you want. Then these are the frames. So here you can, this is the pen, these are the various colors. Then this is eraser, this is for selecting, this is a laser pointer, and if you click on plus sign, you can see sticky note, drive content, camera and image library. So let us discuss this one by one. So if you click on a pen, you get various kinds of pen. This is you can say marker, highlighter and brush. So when you click on pen, you can choose any colors. Let us select this blue color. So with the help of this, you can write anything on the board. Okay. Then if you choose the marker and different pen, you can write like this. If you choose highlighter, yellow color, you can write like this. And if you choose this paintbrush and red color, then you can like this. So with the help of this redo option, you can redo everything, or with the help of eraser, you can also erase this. Okay. Now again your blackboard is clean. Then you can select anything on this blackboard, what you want to draw, what you want to write, or what you want to select. Then this is a laser pointer to show anything on the board. Then sticky note. So sticky note is an interesting thing. So what you can write my class. If you want to write a sticky note, you can write like this, my class. You can choose a color and here you will be your my class. Then you can import an image from the library. You can drag it anywhere. Then you can upload a drive content. Say what you have in your drive, you can upload. So I can upload, suppose I want to upload this PDF, then this diagram will be uploaded. Plus you can take a picture with the help of camera, and you can also upload that picture here. Then if you want to highlight this, then you can use again a pen color. Let us choose green color. So you can make like this. You can, if you want to write, you can write. So all this is in mobile app. Then how to share it as an assignment or how to download it. So click on this 3 dots here. So you will get make a copy, rename, delete, add people, add to start, share as PDF or share this frame as image. So if you share this frame as image, it will be shared as an image to where you want. Suppose you want it to say Google Classroom. So you can make it to a Google Classroom. And if you want to share Jam as a PDF, again you can share with Classroom or with anything. So this is for all for the video. Thank you.